Hi, it's Jay. I just wanted to show these crystals. These two here. I think this one's quartzite, this one's a crystal. But I think they were meant for clubs, possibly. And it could have been like a row of them. That one seems to have like a bear face, or maybe even a like a wolf face. From down here, it looks like a wolf, kinda, at the ear. Or it could even be a bear. I'm not too sure. The back of this is very interesting. From this end, it looks like a pyramid in the middle. And you can see this giant bird figure up top here, with the beak that comes down, and then there's a smaller bird figure right there in the middle. And then there's these glyphs all around, and it's like a scenery. You can see the glyphs as I turn it. And when I hold this rock upside down, there's going to be a tiny bird sitting on my thumb in flight. If I can get it to focus. You can just see his head there, but it's got a body and wings. You can kind of see there, going back, and his wings go up. You kind of see an eye there and a beak there as well. This may make an image over here to another beak. The bird's like a blue jay head. So there's a lot going on in the back of this piece. In the front of it as well, with this animal here, which I think is a bear, or possibly a lion, or a wolf. And this one just seems to be a bird from both sides, a bird head. You can see how it's pecked out, or slammed out at the bottom there to give it more of a point. The same thing, kind of the same thing here on that piece. I didn't see too many glyphs on this piece. Might make something this way, but for the most part, I think it's just to look like maybe a lizard or a bird. This here, I'm not too sure. Of course, it looks like a face, with the nose and the eye and the mouth and the head. My aunt and uncle gave me this piece from Whitman, Massachusetts. He dug it up out of the ground as a union pipe worker. And he took home a lot of big crystals, and I got a few more real nice ones too. But this piece is really interesting looking. It's got the crystal pocket in there, which isn't a crystal pocket, it's just a pocket. And the crystal faces are in there. It's actually very shiny in the light. And then on the back, there's a big pocket there. And you can see that and I just had it glisten. So that's all flat. There's the crystal in there. Actually, the outsides of the crystals. But if you look at it from this direction, it kind of saw like a woolly mammoth. I don't know if that's just me, or maybe a face going this way, but I thought that was interesting. I mean, if that is meant to look like a woolly mammoth, this is probably the best piece that I have as a woolly mammoth. Even though the other ones do have more detail on them. I'll grab the other one. Here you see this one here. You can see the details of the face and the trunks and the tusks, and how they portray it as a thick, large, strong animal, and the thickness of the piece. And something kind of similar, well actually not really, it's a different style with the elephant's trunk coming down like this. This is his eye and his ears. And I've got quite a few more of those. The bottom of this piece is look like where it came from, not the host rock. You can see all these little marks in it, pockets that held different minerals at one point that came out. Possibly some gems. I just wonder what my uncle's got. So that was cool. I just wanted to show off that piece there in Whitman, Massachusetts. I'll show off some of my other Whitman pieces too someday. But these ones here came from my yard. They're story stones as well as either weapons or for agriculture, but I think they were more for like weaponry, and there could have been rows of these on clubs. Alright, thanks for watching, bye.